Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Dart radio. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a 7mm socket. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Also, place a soft cloth over your console to protect it from any potential scratches during the process. Next, we'll focus on the dash panels. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry around the edges of the lower dash trim panel. Once it's loose, set it aside. Then, locate and remove the two 7mm screws that hold the upper trim piece in place. With those screws out, gently pull the upper panel away from the dashboard, making sure to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it, such as those for the hazard lights. Now that the trim panels are out of the way, you'll have clear access to the radio unit itself. You'll find 4 7mm bolts securing the radio assembly to the dashboard. Use your socket wrench to remove each of these bolts. Once all 4 bolts are out, gently pull the entire radio unit straight out from its housing. Be mindful of the wires connected to the back, as they will need to be disconnected. With the radio unit pulled forward, you can now access all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable on the back. Carefully press the release tabs and disconnect each harness. It's a good idea to take a quick photo or label the connections if you're installing a new radio. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all screws are securely tightened and all electrical connections are firmly in place before reconnecting your vehicle's battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.